When it comes to AI video generators right now, two names are getting a lot of attention. Alibaba's One 2.5 and Google's VEO 3. Both can generate cinematic AI videos with sound, realistic motion, and lip syncing, but they target slightly different users. So in this video, I'll compare One 2.5 and VEO 3 in terms of video quality, realism, audio generation, pricing, speed, ease of use, and overall value. And by the end, you'll know which AI video model is actually better for your workflow. Intro. First, let's quickly explain what these tools are. WAN 2.5 is Alibaba's AI video module focused on text to video and image to video generation with native audio support. Meanwhile, Google VEO 3 is Google DeepMind's advanced AI video generator designed for highly realistic cinematic video creation. Both support AI generated sound effects, dialogue, and lip syncing, but they perform differently depending on what you need. Video quality and realism. Starting with video quality, VEO 3 is currently one of the most realistic AI video models available. Its biggest strength is cinematic realism. The lighting, camera movement, physics, and character motion often look closer to real footage compared to most competitors. Google also focused heavily on realistic motion and physics simulation. WAN 2.5 also produces impressive results, especially considering its lower cost and wider accessibility. It supports up to 1080p generation with smooth motion and cinematic camera tools. However, in direct comparisons, VEO 3 usually looks more polished and more photorealistic overall. So for pure realism, VEO 3 wins. WAN 2.5 is still very strong for the price. Audio and lip sync. This is one of the biggest reasons these models became popular. Both models support native audio generation instead of adding audio afterward. That means they can generate dialogue, sound effects, ambient noise, and more. WAN 2.5 focuses heavily on synchronized audio and lip sync generation. It's actually surprisingly good at matching speech to mouth movement, especially for short form content. But VEO 3 still has the edge in realism and natural voice generation. Google's model tends to produce more believable speech and environmental sounds overall. That said, WAN 2.5 is often more than enough for YouTube Shorts, TikToks, ads, and social media videos. Ease of use. Now let's talk about accessibility. WAN 2.5 is generally easier to access and more creator-friendly for average users. Many platforms already integrate it, and some versions are available even with free or low-cost usage. VEO 3 is more limited right now. Google mainly offers it through select tools, Gemini integrations, APIs, and enterprise-style access. So if you are just starting with AI video generation, WAN 2.5 is probably easier to experiment with. Speed and performance. WAN 2.5 is optimized for faster rendering compared to older WAN models. Some reports claim it can generate videos 2 to 5 times faster than previous version. VEO 3 focuses more on maximum realism and cinematic quality, so generation can sometimes feel slower depending on the workflow. If speed matters more than perfect realism, WAN 2.5 may be the better option. Pricing. Pricing is another major difference. WAN 2.5 is generally much cheaper and more accessible for independent creators. Some users even describe it as one of the best value AI video tools currently available. VEO 3 can become expensive, especially for heavy usage. Some community discussions mention that advanced access tiers can cost hundreds of dollars monthly. So for budget creators, WAN 2.5 is usually the better value. VEO 3 is more premium focused. Best use cases. Here is the easiest way to think about it. Use WAN 2.5 if you want cheaper AI video generation, faster workflows, good lip sync, social media content, and easier accessibility. Use VEO 3 if you want maximum realism, cinematic AI filmmaking, advanced physics, professional looking outputs, and Google's ecosystem integration. Final verdict and conclusion. So which AI model is better? If we are talking about pure video realism and cinematic quality, VEO 3 is probably the winner right now. But WAN 2.5 is easily one of the best alternatives because it offers excellent quality, native audio, strong lip sync, faster generation, and much better affordability. For most creators, WAN 2.5 may actually be the more practical choice, but for high-end cinematic AI videos, VEO 3 still has the edge. And honestly, both models show how fast AI video generation is evolving right now. So that is the detailed comparison between WAN 2.5 and VEO 3. Which one do you think is better? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon for more AI tool comparisons and reviews. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison.